Welcome back to Experimental Mixology. Today we are going to be making the Any Timer, which calls for bullet bourbon, but when you mix a lot of things together with a bourbon or a whiskey, I find that it takes away the flavor of the whiskey or the bourbon. So if you're going to put a lot of stuff in it, it usually doesn't matter what you start with.
I just want to say, you were on point today. You got the bartender towel. You got the
Oh yeah,
the
whiskey
shirt. Sorry, my eyes are up here.
My eyes are up here. This was a huge Goodwill find for like $4, so I was pretty happy about this shirt. I've had it for years and didn't wear it until recently. Anyway, I did get this burnt orange bourbon. It's Tom Bullock's burnt orange bourbon when we went to Total Wine & More, and it's actually sponsored, or one of the owners of the company is Alan Henderson from IU basketball fame. So we bought it, and it's okay. But I think it would be really good in this drink. So
if you're going for the sponsorship, by the way, just saying it's okay, probably not going to get it done.
I know, it's fine, but I got to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you the truth. If I'm anything, I'm honest, brutally so. So the drink starts out with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Again, I'm doing the burnt orange bourbon to kind of add a little more flavor. Also has 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, so we're going to make it a little sweet. You could buy this. I just keep refilling the same bottle with it. It's really just 1 part sugar, 1 part water. You boil it, let it get a little thicker, and then you put it back in the container. And then a little bit more sweet to it is 1 ounce of Amaretto. Or not 1 ounce, I say 1/2 ounce. I apologize. The simple syrup is 1/2 ounce, and the Amaretto is 1/2 ounce, which is roughly 1 tablespoon. Or 15 milliliters if you're into the metric system, which would have made a lot more sense, but you know, the British had other plans. All right, so you put it into your mixer glass, your mixer glass, what am I saying? In a shaker. Put it in there, fill it with ice. Let's shake it up. And then pour it into a ice-filled tumbler. Strain it in there. When you put it in here, you could go ahead and add a cherry for garnish or anything else, but I kind of just want to taste it for what it is. So let's see how you doing, Any Timer. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, I like this. Would be a good summer drink. It's got the citrusy with the orange and the lemon. Little sweet with the Amaretto sour and the simple syrup. And honestly, I think the burnt orange bourbon is quite the taste in this one. However, it's called the Any Timer when you make it with straight bourbon. Now that it's burnt orange bourbon, as usual, we would like a title for this drink. So feel free to hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and give us some suggestions on what we should call this Any Timer drink made with the burnt orange bourbon. Talk to you soon.